12 Best Filipino Celebrity Homes to Inspire Your Space. Filipino celebrity homes have long captivated the public's imagination, offering a glimpse into luxurious living and personal style. These residences beautifully reflect their owners' unique personalities and tastes, with each space telling its own story. From sleek contemporary designs to timeless traditional Filipino touches, celebrity homes in the Philippines are a harmonious blend of architectural diversity and interior sophistication. Carefully curated decor enhances these spaces, with elements like rugs and carpets adding a layer of elegance and refinement to every room. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the most breathtaking celebrity homes in the Philippines, exploring the inspiration behind their exquisite interiors. 12 luxurious Filipino celebrity homes in the Philippines. The allure of Filipino celebrity homes lies not only in their opulence, but also in the creativity and thoughtfulness behind their designs. These homes often feature a blend of timeless elegance, unique character, and high-quality furnishings that set home decor standards. If you want inspiration for your living space, here are 12 luxurious Filipino celebrity homes showcasing style, sophistication, and functional beauty. 1. Celine Husaf and Nico Bolzico's Eclectic, Earthy Home. Celine and Nico's home effortlessly blends earthy tones, bohemian vibes, and a personal art collection. Their space reflects a passion for eclectic design with a warm, inviting atmosphere. The team opted for a living area that is modern and minimalist, using a neutral palette, textured fabrics, and natural materials. 2. Heart Evangelista's Parisian-inspired condo. Heart Evangelista's condo is a refined blend of opulence and cozy elegance. It features a Parisian-inspired design with luxurious chandeliers, curated art, and neutral tones. Her living space reflects a harmonious fusion of classic and contemporary design. 3. Manny Pacquiao's Forbes Park Mansion. Manny Pacquiao's mansion exudes grandeur, blending modern and classic design elements to create a truly luxurious atmosphere. The expansive living spaces feature marble floors, custom-made furnishings, and a seamless integration of elegance and sophistication. It sits on a 2,000 square meter property and occupies 1,525 square meter of space, which includes 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a pool, a garden, and many other amenities. 4. The Alonzo's Farmhouse in Zambales. Bia's farmhouse retreat features rustic design elements, natural wood tones, and spacious interiors. Inspired by nature, her home radiates warmth and authenticity. Bia's family has also built a weekend house in the farm where they can chill and relax when they're in Zambales. Each room in the house is named after her mom, Mary, her nephew, Santiago, and her famous movie character Basha. 5. Vice Ganda's modern glam home. Vice Ganda's home is a playful mix of glamour and bold design. Metallic accents, mirrored surfaces, and quirky decor elements add a distinctive flair, while the bright color schemes and luxurious materials combine to create a dynamic and elevated aesthetic. The exterior of the house was designed with full metal, and the overall design or vibe of the house was industrial, as well as its interior. 6. Coco Martin's heritage-inspired home. Coco Martin's home embraces Filipino heritage with traditional design elements, such as capas windows, vintage furniture, and wood accents. His love for cultural preservation is reflected in the space's warmth and charm. Found in an exclusive subdivision in Quezon City, the Actors Sanctuary features must-see designer pieces, works of art, and a paradise-like outdoor area. 7. Marian Rivera and Ding Dong Danny's tropical modern home. The couple's home blends tropical Filipino design with modern aesthetics, incorporating neutral palettes, natural materials, and an open layout that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. From its large pool with a tropical designed outdoor veranda, home furniture, and the house's facade, the Danny's family home is a breath of fresh air in the city as it combines comfort and elegance. Lush greenery adorns the house with touches of green in both indoor and outdoor areas, like a small palm right beside the pool, and hints of potted plants in the living foyer. Point 8. Chris Aquino's cozy and elegant mansion. This charming house blends open spaces with a cozy, cottage-inspired aesthetic. Chris interior designer describes it as a Hampton-style country home perfect for family living. The green front door and yellow area rug complement the white furniture, creating a soothing atmosphere. Custom-made pieces like the sectional sofa and glass-top table add elegance, while maintaining a clean feel. 9. And Curtis's chic urban apartment. Anne's urban apartment blends sleek, modish finishes with artistic accents, showcasing modern Filipino interior design elements. Contemporary furniture and minimalist decor create a cozy yet sophisticated vibe, balancing style and comfort. 10. Willie Revelame's sprawling luxury estate. Willie Revelame's estate is a sprawling oasis with large living spaces and luxurious amenities. The open-plan layout and resort-like ambience are ideal for creating a relaxed, yet extravagant living environment. Inside the stunning 200-square property are cozy areas, a spacious garden, and pieces that speak of comfort and luxury. 11. Slater and Chris's ultra-open mansion in Cebu, known as the Sky Pod. Slater and Chris's industrial-themed luxury mansion features minimalist dark colors, exposed woodwork, and sharp angles, making it a striking example of modern luxury. The house has an industrial type of design, with a lot of open space and natural lighting. This house was designed to have a very cabin feel, but a modern version of a log cabin-ish vacation home. 12. Team Kramer's modern elegance mansion. The Kramer family's mansion features high ceilings, a glass elevator, and a stunning infinity pool with a black and brown theme. Their home exudes elegance with a mix of wood and glass panels. Kramer described their new space as modern rustic, with him picking most of the materials to fit the color palette of black, brown, and gray. Bring celebrity charm into your own home, from minimalist urban condos to heritage-inspired estates. Celebrity houses in the Philippines offer a stunning array of design styles. Each residence reflects its owner's unique personality while combining timeless elegance with functional beauty. These homes inspire you to rethink your spaces, showing that great design is aspirational and attainable. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content.